Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for garden and outdoor business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So you can create your website, you can see templates from here. So you can choose the topic from here, and the type you can choose it from here. Garden and outdoor decor, for example, you can make a online store or services, gardening, like gardening. So that's it. You can choose one of these templates, and you can also build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Here you can enter your site name. Type any name for gardening or garden and outdoor business. Here you can build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section must be attractive and related to the business, like gardening, like for example this or this. And now let's move on to the product section. Also it must be attractive section. Also the services section and about section, the social section, and the forms, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can add page to your site, services for example, or shop, and here you can choose the color palette. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can choose the font. For example, you can wait until you go to the home page and you can design the font there. So now let's finish this. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, about the garden and outdoor decor business, and choose the writing style. Or if you want to skip from here, I'm gonna skip. So this is your home page right now. You can edit the the home page, the page settings from here. You can change this. You can change the services or whatever you want. I'm gonna as the business, like if you have an online store, just keep this shop, and if your business is gardening, you can change this to services. So if you want to edit, you can edit from here. First, here we have the site header. So you can upload the logo from here, from your library, or from your library, or from free image. You can change the title, the site title. Here you can edit elements. You can turn this on. For example, you can change this. So that's it. Here you can edit the text here. For example, you can type welcome. Welcome to our personal site for outdoor decor, like this. So like this, it might be attractive, and you can edit the section, the background. You can go here and choose the background from here. So you can search on it on the free image. So you can choose whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose a video or an art as you like. So now after you add the background, you can move it down the section or move it up. You can save it from here and duplicate it as you like. So that's it. So I'm gonna continue this on the next part, on the second part. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.